Hello everyone. So you already know about the Palearctic realm. So next let us know about Nearctic realm. So Nearctic realm or Nearctic region. So this region is located above the tropics of North America. You can see in this image. So it is located above the tropics of North America, and the towards north it includes the Newfoundland, that is Arctic archipelago, and Greenland. So this region is also known as the headquarters of Eurodils. So in the North Greenland, the frozen ice is seen, and the ranges of mountains which are extended from north to south. And in the southwest of North America, deserts are present. So this region is located above the North America, and which also include the Arctic archipelago and Greenland. So this region is divided into four subregions: California, Rocky Mountain, Allegheny, and Canadian. So California subregion, a part of North America, Nevada, Cascade Ranges, and a part of British Columbia are included in this subregion, and it contains nearly 86 families of vertebrates, like free-tailed bats are commonly seen in this subregion. So next is Rocky Mountain subregion. So it includes mountains of East California. So it includes mountains of East California with nearly presence of 107 families of terrestrial vertebrates in this region. So such as goats, Haploceros, and presence of some dogs and lizards are common in this subregion. Then Allegheny subregion, it includes Rocky Mountains subregion, lakes of eastern parts of USA. Here also presence of some of the vertebrates like vampire bats, star-nosed moles, opossums, turkey, and Carolina parrots. So can seen in this place. Then next is Canadian subregion. It includes remaining parts of North America and Greenland. So here also presence of some vertebrates like bison, polar bear, Arctic fox are commonly seen in this subregion. So now next let us know about the climatic condition. So here, like Palearctic region, so this region also has extreme cold and hot climate. So ecological condition, so the deciduous forest range, huge grassland, coniferous forest, dry land, and tundra regions are prominently ecological zonations. So next is presence of fauna. So Nearctic region, it includes the fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. So here fishes, we can see some of the catfishes, garpike, paddlefishes, cyprinodonts are commonly present in this Nearctic place. So the amphibians, so amphibians are Amphiuma, salamanders, buffo, ambystoma, hyla, and rana, etc. are present in the Nearctic place or Nearctic region. And reptiles, so here presence of rich number of reptiles, because already I said about this region is also known as the headquarters of Eurodils. So here presence of rich number of reptiles like musk turtle, trionyx, alligators, and viper like pithophis, so are present presence of reptiles. The next is birds. So birds, nearly 39 families of birds which contains pelicans, heron, hummingbirds, woodpeckers, sandpipers, etc. can present here. And mammals like squirrels, moles, rabbits, cats, bats, deer, opossum, porcupine, etc. are present in the Nearctic realm. So you can see in this image, so presence of fauna which present in the Nearctic region. So this is about the Nearctic realm. Thank you.